the interpreter in court, and there are matters that were coming up for me that were placed aside. And as you are aware, we are very stretched-thin staff, so I need to release my duties.
Michelle Martin, number 75580. Martin, who is
Sworn by site in the law in
Yes, unfortunately, because
9 in court, meaning again interference has been made since one has been precluded from the list. So, Your Honor, as the court directed that we raise issues touching on the rights of the victim, the right of the victim will be gravely affected, considering the threats are officially reported and there is a motive. And he cannot assess his own because there are threats and is fearing, and also that witnesses are being intimidated. So even as the court decide this matter, for the court to be certain and put this matter to the court should consider ordering for a prebail report. Since the matter in question is now becoming a public nuisance, the citizens of Kisii County are being mistreated by the safety enforcement officers. Those unsuspecting and those who might not know their rights end up losing money to the said officers, so that they are not mistreated further. Having said that, I leave it to the discussion of the court. Fair. By the accused persons, the victim and the victim's family, file an application for post-bail.
Intimidations
Have not been filed in court. And the reason cited is that I'll be making an application to look at the data sheet, and also
complainant and counsel for the accused persons have given several grounds in support of the applications for denial and for grant of bail and bond terms respectively to the accused persons. Bail and bond is a constitutional right of every accused person, which should only be denied if there are compelling reasons given. Counsel watching brief has indicated that there were threats to the complainant as well as interference and intimidation of the witnesses herein. On the other hand, counsel for the accused persons have indicated that no evidence has been adduced by the complainant in support of the allegations. I agree that indeed no evidence has been adduced by the complainant. However, if indeed there is any interference, threats, or intimidation of the victim and or witnesses, or if there is any risk of the occurrence of the same, the court should take the same into consideration before granting bail and bond terms. And if indeed there is interference, I find that there is need for a prebail report to be filed before bail and bond terms are set. Consequently, I hereby order that prebail reports be filed for all the accused persons pending setting of bail and bond terms. We shall mention this matter on 12th of March for setting of bail and bond terms and consideration of that, the report.